another day in beautiful Korat. There's a lot of things to do in Korat actually. People don't know they have let's see, they have a very old market in the city inside downtown Korat. Very old market that people go to. They have another market called A1. It's really cool. We're going to get the visa today for here. And Nick is doing the paperwork, huh? My bank?
Every paper.
Okay.
Welcome to Rican Thai Family with Nudge, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai Family.
Yeah, so this time it requires for me to bring 2 people from the neighborhood to I guess they want to make sure that I do really live here. And that's it. Sobrang dang and sang looks ants to do this. They're building something over there. Look like a school, huh? Maybe a nice school over there. If we came to Makro, I gotta get some peanut butter from there. It's just down the street from the immigration office, so not too bad. So we'll do that, and if they need anything they can get it. I'll pay for it and I'll take them to eat the soup that I like down the road. I'm sure they'll like that. I bring dang before to eat, so yeah, let's see what happens. Got the metal, what I needed. A few from over here, a few from over there. I was gonna take them in my truck if they cut it, but they charge for cutting and it would be too much time to waste here. So I'll have it delivered. Yeah. But I got everything I needed. I didn't think I was gonna find it. I want to make a light fixture for the front of the house. That's why I bought the metal. Hopefully it works out. It's an investment. I like to entertain myself with stuff like this. Alright, let's go. Yesterday I was we were over here at the festival. They have a concert here too at night, but we were here yesterday. I didn't show the trees. I thought it would be great chance to do it now, because at night you can't really see anything, but you can see how beautiful they are. You know, they put other branches from another tree so that the tree would have color. Actually, you can see it right there. You see? That's where they put the other branches. No, they're not open yet. They open at night. Right here. And then they have different colors. And Banmai, where we live here in Korat, Banmai, they're known for these trees, and people come from all over Thailand to buy these trees, and overseas as well too. So those are supposed to be baskets. There's a peacock over there. Look at this. Wow, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful one right there. Follow Tika, I guess. A little house band. A heart. Keep going this way, Tika. What? Oh yeah, that was from yesterday. I bought some one time, but it died on me. I bought some like this right here, and I bought a bigger one like this one over there. Like that one, but it died on me. Not too bad. Beautiful. Looks like a garden, huh? A beautiful garden over here. Anyways, wait for Nook to get out and then we'll head back home. This side over here looks even better. Look at this tree here. Alright, let's get out of here. Made some rellenos de papa with pork and cheese. Yeah, I think they'll be really good. They're like the pastelillos we made the other day with pizza pastelillo. TK, love the papa, get away from the food, please. Yeah. So Nook is having a dinner today with them again. She does it once a week or so, I don't know, to eat papaya, but sometimes I make something different for them to try. So, relleno de papa today. Alright, that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching.